So good morning everyone. So let's talk about the audit evaluating internal control system. So what is evaluating internal control system? It's an understanding how internal control system safeguard organizational and integrate and enable reliability financial reporting. So the foundation of the trust. So defining ICS means internal control system or integrated frameworks of policies, procedures, and practices designed to ensure reliability, financial reporting, uh, operational efficiency, and regulatory compliance. And the evaluation of ICS from simple manual checks and balances to digital frameworks incorporating AI driven monitoring and continuous assumed capabilities. So let's see why the ICS matter to auditors. So the bedrock of reliability, ICS forms the foundation for trustworthy financial reporting and efficient operations. Strong control reduce risk, prevent fraud, and ensure data integrity across all original functions. And the auditor's mandate: auditor must critically assist both the design and the operating effectiveness of control, determining whether systems are properly structured and functioning and intended. Let's see what is the framework of evaluation. So the framework is comprehensive internal control framework covering control, environment, risk assignment, control activities, information systems, and monitoring. ISO 3100 is like international standard for risk management, providing principles and guideline applicable to all type of risk in the context. NIST guidelines, technical standards and practices for information securities, including SP 800 137A for continuous monitoring programs. The NIST approach ISCM program assessment. The NIST SP 800 137A provides a structured methodology for evaluating information securities continuous monitoring. ICA, ISCM programs ensuring organizations maintain security process through ongoing assignments strategies. Organizational approach to continuous monitoring aligns with risk tolerance policies. Formal document established requirements and responsibilities. Products. Step-by-step process for emulating monitoring activities. Operation. Day-to-day excuses for monitoring and response activities. Data analysis. Reviews and integration of monitoring results for informed decision. The auditor. So the Federal Information System Control Audit Manual, FICS-CAM. The comprehensive guide provides auditors with a structured approach to evaluating IT controls, integrating technical assignments with the financial audit objectives, key components, control objectives, and criticizes testing methodologics and technologies, evidence collection products, reporting standards and formats. The audit cycle life cycle from design to assurance. So it will start with the plan audit, and it will go with the feedback and improve, and it will go through the test controls, and it will end like it will again get back with the report findings. So beyond compliance, the good, bad, and ugly. So the best practices: risk based approach, documentation standards, stakeholder engagement, and the common fit, pitfalls or over reliance on documentation, indicates small sizes, lack of independence. So the critical failures is ignoring red flags, insufficient confluence of internet. Insights from SAS institution highlights the importance of balancing technical expense with professional judgment and maintaining approach specific throughout assignments. So the future of ICS auditing, the emerging technologies, AI drive analysis, blockchain verification, and automatic testicle tools and transformation, traditional audit improvements, enabling real-time monitoring and preventing risk assignment, evolving threats, increasing cyber threats, supply chain vulnerability, and regulatory compliance demand more eligible and comprehensive control frameworks. The continuous monitoring, proactive real-time assessment, replacing periodic auditors, providing ongoing assurance and enabling immediate redemption of control weakness. So the conclusion in assurance in an evolving world is like critical link. Effective ICS evaluation directly concludes with original reliances, enabling essentials to withstand distributions and maintain operational continuity. Guidance of intelligence. Auditors serve as essential safeguards, protecting stakeholders through rigorous assessments and providing independence assurance in an increasing complex digital landscape.